Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today we're unboxing some more special order dyes. So I get my dyes from CATHY SPRAGUE, and where you're going to find her is on Facebook, and the page is called Tie-Dye Supplies Marketplace. And a lot of you guys already know this because you're a member of my group, Belladonna Dyes Community Tie-Dye Group. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. Anyways, the link is down below in the description box, so you can find it right underneath the Etsy link. If you aren't a member of the group, I highly recommend you join. There are a lot of really wonderful people, and we're up to like 2,500 members now, and that's really exciting. So back to the dye. So these are special order dyes from Dharma Trading Company. They're not on the regular list, okay? Now I'm going to tell you what's going on. Dharma has pulled down the special order dyes for now, temporary, because they're having supply issues. So some of the components to make these dyes aren't available. So instead of just trying to edit out the ones that they can make, they're just not going to do that, make them anymore for a while. But right now, CATHY SPRAGUE is doing another pre-order for a whole round of new colors. So if you want in on getting some special order dyes before they're gone for a while, we don't know how long it's going to take, I suggest you get over to CATHY SPRAGUE on Facebook, Tie-Dye Supplies Marketplace, and get your pre-order in. So let me tell you what I'm opening up right now. This was the last order. Kilt Green, Clear Sky, Caffeine Buzz, Mustard, Orange Marmalade, Soft Melon, Mink Brown, Vintage Red, Fall Flame, Rose Red, Thistle Blossom, Mulberry, Mint Green, Desert Green, Soft Sandstone, and Cafe au Lait. Now what you see here are the 4-ounce size, and they are all in different sizes because, you know, some of the powder is more dense and some is not. So, you know, she just does the best she can to fit them in the jars. Now I will tell you, there is an extra charge for the jars. You can get them for free in a Ziploc baggie, but I prefer to pay the extra couple bucks to get the jars. That way I can store them nicely. They come very well packaged. She's very fast. CATHY is extremely sweet and very easy to deal with. Just no drama at all. So I highly recommend that, again, if you want in on probably the last chance to get some of these special order dyes before, you know, they're not available for who knows how long, again, head over to CATHY SPRAGUE at Tie-Dye Supplies Marketplace. If you guys don't already, I highly recommend that you keep Clorox wipes right next to you at all times. They clean up the dye spills beautifully. This is my dye table that you're always looking at, and I'm just meticulous about making sure I always keep it clean. And I've been just storing my dye in these dollar store baskets. I mean, look at all the dyes I've accumulated from CATHY like in the last month and a half, 2 months. So I went to Walmart and I got this little rollaway cart, and it was super affordable. So I highly recommend getting yourself one. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up, and click the bell and set it to all. That way you get notified of future uploads. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing.